Hello everyone, I'm Gayatri Devi, pursuing my bachelor's degree in pharmacy in SNS College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences. In our college, we have five pillar activity under design thinking. They are CLT, Center for Learning and Teaching, SED, Skill and Career Development, CFC, Center for Creativity, IAPC, Industrial Institute of Partnerships, and SRA, Social Responsibility and Initiative. I'm really glad to explain about first pillar activity, CLT, Center for Learning and Teaching. Before going into the topic, let's know about the general terms. What is fats and oils? Fats and oils are composed of molecules known as triglycerides because they are esters composed of three fatty acids which joined to glycerol, a trihydroxy alcohol. Reaction is mentioned below. The three fatty acids reacts with glycerol which gives triglyceride in presence of catalyst and removal of water. Saponification. It is the process that involves conversion of fat, oil or liquid into soap and glycerol by the action of heat in the presence of aqueous alkali. Example, sodium hydroxide, NaOH. Soaps are salts of fatty acids and fatty acids are monocarboxylic acids that have long carbon chain, at least 10. Example, sodium palmitate. It is given in the below reaction. The triglyceride reacts with NaOH which gives glycerol and sodium palmitate which is a soap formation. Then what is saponification number? It is defined as the number of milligrams of potassium hydroxide required to completely saponify 1 gram of fat or oil. Let's see a small assessment. Which of the following statement is correct? A. Fat is obtained from animal origin. B. Oil is obtained from plant origin and fish. Both the above statements are correct. On alkaline hydrolysis, will give glycerol and sodium salt of carboxylic acid. This sodium salt is called dash and the answer is soap formation. Why is saponification important? Saponification is important to the industrial users for it helps to know the amount of free fatty acid that is present in a food material. The quantity of free fatty acid can be distinguished by determining the quantity of alkali that must be added to the fat or oil to make it neutral. What is the importance of saponification value? The saponification value is effectively used to determine the average relative molecular mass of oils and fats. So now let's see a small case study. A health inspector went to an oil company to check the purity of castor oil. While checking the purity, he is having doubt that it may be adulterated with paraffin or hydrocarbon. How will he determine it? So let's see it by step. First, its principle. The saponification value is defined as the number of milligrams of potassium hydroxide required to neutralize the weak acid and to saponify the ester present in 1 gram of substance of fat or oil. Saponification value is the number of milligrams of potassium hydroxide required to neutralize the free fatty acid as well as the fatty acid, resulting from the complete hydrolysis of 1 gram of the given substance. It is determined by boiling weighed amount of substance with a measured volume of standard alcoholic potassium hydroxide and a little pumice powder and boiled water. Excess of alcoholic potassium hydroxide is back titrated with 0.5 m hydrochloric acid using phenolphthalein as an indicator, as an usual titrating method. Endpoint is the appearance of pale pink color. Blank determination is also performed. So, what are the requirements? First, chemical requirements. Chemical requirements are fixed oil, castor oil, 0.5 molar ethanolic potassium hydroxide solution, 0.5 molar HCl solution, and 1% phenolphthalein. Then what are the apparatus required? 250 ml iodine flask, reflex condenser, 50 ml burette and 250 ml beaker. Then how to perform this experiment? Procedure: weigh accurately about 2 grams of substance and transfer into iodine flask and filtered with a reflex condenser. Add 250 ml of 0.5 m ethanolic potassium hydroxide and little of pumice powder and boil under reflex on water bath for 30 minutes. Add 1 ml of phenolphthalein solution and titrate immediately against 0.5 molar hydrochloric acid. Repeat the operation by omitting a substance being examined. This is for blank titration. Calculations: there is a formula to identify a saponification value, that is, saponification value is equal to 28.05 into B minus A by W, where W is equal to weight of the substance, B is equal to titrate value of blank, and A is equal to titrate value of sample. These procedures can be seen in video by clicking the given YouTube link, where you can understand the procedure clearly. And these are the significance of the saponification value. The saponification value is used primarily as an identification aid to detect adulteration with unsaponifiable matter. It is also used to determine the extent of compounding. Fats and oils attempted to improve oiliness in a lubricant. The standard saponification value of castor oil is 176 to 187. Saponification value indicates a length of carbon chain present in oil or fat. Higher molecular weight have smaller saponification value to distinguish between fats, oils, and minerals, and is also used to identify a given fatty oil. That's for fatty acids, saponification value is a measure of molecular weight. Now let's see another short assessment. Identify whether the following statement is true or false. Higher molecular weight will have smaller saponification value. And the statement is true. Of course, higher molecular weight will have smaller saponification value, as we seen before. What does it mean when the value is higher? Option A, lower will be the molecular weight of fat. Option B, greater is the percentage of short chain acids. And here both means. What is the calculation of saponification value? Option A, Sp is equal to 28.05 into A minus B by W. Option B, Sp is equal to 28.05 into B minus A by W. And here the answer is option B. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a theory and development of computer system that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. How is artificial intelligence being used in chemistry? Artificial intelligence can help by shifting through molecular properties recorded in existing databases to identify combinations that may have promise as drugs. What does an HPLC machine do? High performance liquid chromatography, which we are seeing in the picture, is an analytical technique to separate, identify, and quantify components in a mixture. It is the single biggest chromatography technique essential to most laboratories worldwide. Now let's see about a short summary. By knowing the amount of free fatty acid present and essential to the industrial consumer, as this determines the processing loss to a large degree. The higher the saponification value, the lighter the mean molecular weight of the triglycerides and vice versa. Practically, fats or oils with high saponification value, such as coconut and palm oil, are more suitable for soap making. And this is all about Center for Learning and Teaching. Thank you.